Hello YouTubers, today we're going to do an unboxing on this 30-liter thermal cooler from Super Cheap Auto. It's made by Ryder. It was on sale. It was marked down from about 379 I think down to 257, so we're going to open it up and check it out. Comes pretty well packed. I don't know whether I can get this out without. Comes with these styrofoam on the end, and it is in plastic bags. That's what it looks like. It's got a digital readout here for display. And inside it comes with the instructions. It also comes with 2 power cords, one for your cigarette lighter and one for 240 volts. And you've also got like a carry strap, so you can put it one end obviously to the other end and then carry it over your shoulder. We're going to plug this thing in to 240 volt right now, see how long it takes to get down to a temperature that you can cool drinks with. It says it cools down 25 degrees below ambient temperature, and right now ambient temperature is 30 degrees outside, so, and inside. So if it gets down to over 6 degrees, 5 degrees, we'll see whether it does that. It will also heat food up too, so it'll heat to 65 degrees Celsius. So you're not going to heat your food. Obviously, you're going to heat your food on your oven or your stove or your microwave, then put it in, and then leave it in there so you can eat it at a later time. So this is what it says on this. Not intended to be used as a fridge or a freezer, not for cooking. We're going to test it out. 40 can capacity. So this is a 30 liter. They say you can fit 40 cans in here and then shut it up. Might be putting that to the test. All right. Okay, so I just plugged it in. This is the temperature that it is right now. It was 28 degrees. It's already dropped 2 degrees since I started it. I've set the temperature at 0 degrees. I know it won't get down that far, but we'll see how far it gets down, and I'll see how long it takes. I'll give you an idea of how many minutes it is till it gets down to a temperature where you would want your drinks at. Okay, it's been running for about 10 minutes now, and it's already come down to 14 degrees Celsius. We'll see how low it goes and how long it takes to get to that temperature. It's got dual fans, and the fan is coming out here, like the exit for the fans here and here. So if you've got a car, you're going to have to make sure all of this space is open too, so you can't block any of that off. This is where the AC cord goes. Underneath is the DC cord. Okay, right now it's at 5 degrees Celsius, and the temperature on the outside is 29 degrees. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm going to start loading it up with drinks and see how many drinks I can get in there. Okay, to give you an idea what it can hold, I've got 4 beers in there, 4 of these Thunderbird lemon lime bitters, 4 chocolate milk, like a UHT chocolate milk, 2 liters of water, 2 bottles, and then these bottles hold 800 ml each. So, and there's still plenty of room here. You could put, I guess you could double up the UHT. You could probably put more of these in. If you want to lay stuff down, you can get more in there as well. But just like that, still shuts, no problem. Holds temperature. I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours now. Then I'm going to have one of those beers and see whether it's still cold.
Only goes to 1%.
Not 1%, it's 1 degree Celsius. It's been on for about 3 hours, and it's bottomed out at 1 degree Celsius. But even though that says 1 degree there, it's not. It's warmer than that. Is that cold? It's about 5 degrees in there.
Oh my god.
And my beer is nice and cold, and I'm gonna have a beer.
Nice. Daddy.
Here, this is what it's like on 240 volt. The next time I'll try it in the car, see whether it still cools to that what it says, 1 degree, and keeps the drinks nice and cold. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to know anything else about this thermo cooler, 30 liter thermo cooler.